You know, it's funny. There's another piece here that I've been noticing, but I've been sort of ignoring it. You notice here, there's a big gap under there. You see that? Look at that. It doesn't reach the tub. What he did was he tried filling it in with some kind of goop, some kind of silicone or something, but you can see how high that is. Now, if we go back to the top of this jam, it sticks up above the glass on this, on the top. So the whole thing is too high. It should have been down lower. If we look at the other door, now this one, he did put all the way down to the bottom, pretty darn close. And I mean, it seems like that's the way you would want to do it. On this one, that's incorrect. It seems like he started at the top instead of setting it down flush with the tub on the bottom. So now he has to fill it in with that silicone. So this thing's got to be redone also.